This is feedback for Aisha on her second draft of the causes of hating your job essay. And first thing you need to do is to reformat your word. So to show you how to do that, first you select everything. You can hold down Control and push A, and that will select all the text. You got to go to the top here to this little arrow with little looks like a P, and you have to click that. And once it's on that side, click this button. It aligns everything on the left side, and everything should be back to normal. Because before I was trying to figure out what was wrong with your essay, and it was that this P button needs to be clicked. Not this one, but this one. Okay. Okay. So looking at the intro, it looks like you made a great attempt to fix it. But there's one slight problem with your essay. It's all one big paragraph. Remember, the essay has to be 4 paragraphs. So maybe you didn't do this because you had the format thing wrong. So to do that, I think this is the end of your where's your first paragraph? I think this would be your first paragraph here. So again, good job of getting some details and more background information in here. The main cause of people hating their jobs nowadays are the job doesn't give people high salary. And I thought you had another point in here. So again, your first topic paragraph should start with topic sentence. The first reason why people don't like their job is not enough money. And then you go into your points, and I can't really tell where your second paragraph starts, but I can definitely see where your conclusion is, and you got to make sure you press enter and then tab over so that we can see that. And looking at your conclusion, it looks like you did a pretty good job reversing your thesis. A lot of things people can make a lot of their work and make organizations judges to finish that easy. As a government can give more vacation and work hard as a result. And you show the result. So I like that. I just want another paragraph, body paragraph here. So make those changes and let's see how it looks then. Good job.